Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Lexus RX 350 headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving, ensuring you can see clearly without dazzling others. We will cover the necessary preparations, locate the adjustment points, and guide you through the aiming process. Making these adjustments yourself can significantly improve your driving experience and road safety. Before you begin, proper preparation is key for accurate results. First, find a level surface and park your Lexus RX 350 exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall. Next, confirm your tire pressures are at their recommended levels and your fuel tank is full. Finally, have someone of average weight, around 150 pounds, sit in the driver's seat to simulate normal driving conditions. Now, let's find the adjustment points. Open your hood and look at the top of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find 1 or 2 adjustment screws per headlight. The vertical adjustment screw, usually a Phillips head bolt, controls the up and down movement. Some Lexus RX 350 models also feature a separate screw for horizontal or side-to-side adjustments. These are often found behind a small plastic cover or within a recessed hole. With the adjustment screws located, you can now aim your headlights. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Make very small adjustments, perhaps 1 or 2 full turns at a time, then recheck your beam pattern on the wall. Ensure the cutoff line is level and at the appropriate height for optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.